I started this channel before 2 years. Wait, who am I? So friends, I'm Vignesh here. If you don't remember me or thinking about how did I subscribe to this guy, then check out this video. You will be subscribed by watching any one of this video. I think you got me. I am Photoshop artist and editor. In these 2 years which I have started this channel, I learned a lot of things in Photoshop, but still I was not satisfied with what I was doing. But now I have got something to do with filmmaking plus editing. In this channel I have decided a lot and planned a lot of things to do, and it's a comeback video. What am I going to do with this channel? Will I do continue or stop this channel? So let me announce my channel new name in 3, 2, 1. So guys, I hope you watched the name and a new look of my channel banner. That's Film Next Productions. Just create something big. In these 2 years I was lost and thinking about various stuff. I was not satisfied with editing, so only editing in Photoshop, and I wanted to do something creative. I want to go out. I don't want to sit in the room and do some editings. So after searching in Google and scrolling Instagram, I found something interesting. That's filmmaking. As an editor, I do editing and do make a better picture out of raw picture. So I have decided to do something in video too. I'm going to involve in video departments, so I can produce a good video which can be relatable to film. And also I have decided to make filmatic videography and photography. In this channel I have divided 3 types of content, which is creative, editing and fun. Under creative part we can see photography, videography and filmmaking, and under editing part we can see Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro or any other software which you can comment me and let me know. I learn that I can teach you, and let it not be a common channel which only teaches, but also make it fun. Editing as a fun part of filmmaking. Under fun category we can see mobile photography, something like that, and videography, filmmaking in mobile, and some transitions, effects, those kind of stuffs we can see under fun. So guys, even if you want something particularly, you can comment me like bye ye kar do, bye wo kar do, whatever you can ask me, I'm going to do it. Don't forget to stay tuned, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel to see those kind of videos. And one more thing I have to tell, weekly I'm going to upload at least 2 to 3 videos. I'll try to upload max. I'm still studying right now, so it can be hard to me. I have decided to upload at least 2 to 3 videos. Let's go with the flow, how the journey goes. Remember, it's Film Next Productions. Create something big.